Hey, welcome to this tutorial on basic Unix tools. Today we're looking at the C compiler. The C programming language is central to Unix-like operating systems. Its compilation system converts C source code into a binary file. The Posix 2017 standard officially names this compilation system as utility C99. Now, for the sake of simplicity, we are going to refer to the whole of C compilation system as the C compiler. Although from a technical point of view, that might not be the most correct description. But hey, this is only a short video. There are several C compilers available. Perhaps the most popular in Unix-like systems are Clang and GCC. When you invoke C99 on your computer, you are basically invoking one of these compilers. The simplest way to use a C compiler is to type in your terminal C99, followed by the corresponding options and source code file names. For example, in order to compile a simple Hello World C program, the user would type gcc hello world.c or clang hello world.c depending on your compiler of choice. This produces a binary file named a.out, which you can then execute. The following options control several compilation aspects, such as warnings, performance, debugging, so on. Note that C compilers come with a lot more options. The compilation process of C code is actually divided into several parts, and this process can be stopped at any intermediate stage via a compilation option. For example, option C stops the compilation process right before linking. This will produce object files that were output by the assembler. The following tools can help the C programmer to automate the compilation process, find bugs, optimize, and document the code. These are just some examples of very useful tools. Okay, so this was our introduction to the C compiler, and I hope it was useful. Please leave a comment on which Unix tools you'd like to see featured in this channel. Please check the links in the description box below for more information. Thank you very much for watching.